Now this particular model here is a vacuum and blower, so in this position here we're on the vacuum setting. So everything's going to come out here and fill the bags once we get them connected. To turn this into the leaf blower setting, push this little black thing in, turn it around until it clicks. Then we're in the leaf blower section, and that piece that was pointing out here before is now pointing down here, and that means that we're going to be blowing leaves in the leaf blower setting. First thing to attach is the leaf blower tube itself. We're just going to slot this on, clip to the side, a little notch will go to the bottom. Slot that on here, like this, push it over until it clips in place. Now if you're just going to use this as a leaf blower, this is set up, but if you want to use this as a vacuum, we need to connect something else to this. Attach the bag first, and to attach the bag is really simple. There's a mechanism on the back here, pushed in like this. So we're going to bring this in with the mechanism to the back, push it on, it's going to click in place. Now we can use it as a vacuum with the bag. If we want to release this, push this clip in. We're going to push this clip in at the back here, and this should come right off, like that. To turn this leaf blower or leaf vacuum on, simply press this little dial forward, and you're on speed setting 1, and it has a 2-speed setting, so you can press this forward again onto the highest speed setting for this particular model. Turn it off, just turn this wheel backwards. Having a 32-gallon trash can is going to make picking up leaves so much easier because they have the attachment on the end here that you can just hook over the top, and then this means you don't have to empty the bag when you're using your leaf vacuum that we showed you before. So put this on and then pull the drawstring tight. Use this little clip, and now that's secure. That means that all of your leaves are going to go straight into this 32-gallon trash bin instead of into the small bag. I really like this, so if you've got a lot more leaves to pick up, I'd recommend you use this setting here with the mesh over the 32-gallon trash bin. This Worx leaf blower and mulcher is going to be great when it's fall time, so we can clear all the leaves from our garden beds. That's how to assemble this Worx leaf blower and mulcher. If you did like this video and want to see more DIY content around the home, check out this video here next.